Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you a delicious and easy noodle recipe. It's nutritious, flavorful, and makes a great breakfast. Let's see how I make it. Prepare a small piece of lean pork and cut it into thick slices. Then cut the slices into thick shreds. Once cut, set them aside on a plate. Prepare 5 grams of fresh ginger, smash it and chop it finely. After chopping, set it aside on a plate. Chop 2 scallions into small pieces, keeping the white and green parts separate. Slice 2 bird's eye chilies into rings. Prepare a pack of shredded pickled mustard and set it aside on a plate. Heat a little oil in a pan, crack in 2 fresh eggs, and fry them into sunny-side-up eggs. Once they hold their shape, gently shake the pan to ensure the eggs cook evenly. Fry over low heat until the eggs are about 80% cooked. Once done, remove the eggs and set them aside. Using the oil left from frying the eggs, add the sliced pork and stir-fry until fragrant, then add minced ginger and chopped scallions, and stir-fry until aromatic. Next, add the shredded pickled mustard, pour in a little light soy sauce, stir-fry evenly, and bring out the aroma of the pickled mustard. Then add an appropriate amount of water and start seasoning. Add a spoonful of chicken bouillon and a little white pepper to remove any unwanted smell. Bring it to a boil and cook for 1 minute. Alright, turn off the heat and set it aside for later. Prepare another pot, bring water to a boil, add the noodles, and gently stir with chopsticks so the noodles heat evenly. Cook the noodles until done, which takes about 2 minutes. Cook the noodles until they're no longer hard in the center. Then add a few washed lettuce leaves and blanch them until cooked. Alright, turn off the heat. Scoop out the noodles and place them in a bowl. Add some chopped chili and scallions, then pour in the prepared shredded pork soup. Add the fried egg, the lettuce, and a few slices of tomato. A delicious bowl of pickled mustard and shredded pork noodles is ready. The noodles are smooth and chewy, the pork is tender and flavorful, and the pickled mustard is crisp and tasty, perfect for whetting your appetite and satisfying your cravings. If you like it, go ahead and save this recipe to try it out.